Hi everyone, it's Laura here. I am just coming on here to just share some good news with you. I have just signed a new contract with Mountain Brook Inc. Publishing to publish book number 4 in the Bite of Betrayal series. So I'm super excited because it's going to be a Christmas novella and it's going to be set in the English countryside, of course, and it's going to be the mother's story. So you will have heard by then of the 3 daughters. Book 3 comes out next year. This is going to be their mom, she's about my age, but it's going to be a romantic suspense set in the English countryside, all the Christmas feels. I've started planning it already, and I just wanted to share my exciting news with you today. So yeah, fa la 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 la, I've got all the Christmas music going and I'm in planning mode. So yeah, that's what I'm up to right now. Take care.